Okay, what we started with here has a simple flathead. We just stuck it in there, pried it out, and then it looks like it's a Phillips. So we went to the scrapyard and we got the replacement piece here. There we go. And you can see how it has these little snaps all the way down at front and back. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of follow that as we're doing this. This is kind of the first time we've ever done something like this, so we figured we'd make a video about it.
I'm messing that up. Maybe I really don't want to make a video. This is the hardest part right here.
Yeah.
Once you, there we go, I got it.
Okay, and then we can just go.
Oh, shit.
Do you want me?
Watch your leg. Oh shit.
Guess we really don't care what this one looks like, seeing as how.
There's a clip here that's not given.
Okay, hold on. Here's the clip right here.
This side one.
Okay, here's one clip. You have to follow the clips.
I know, I'm trying.
Here
I
comes
need
our
that screwdriver.
kids.
Oh no. Make them go inside. I need a break.
Yeah, we gotta love our little kiddos. So.
Oh shoot. I just don't want to mess up the trim.
Okay, I think we need to
There we go, I got it.
get it. Booyah. Okay.
It's out.
And here it is. Now it's out. We can turn the car off real quick. That way we don't get electrocuted. All that good stuff. You're probably supposed to disconnect the battery, but we're gonna go ahead and show you what we're doing here.
I don't know how to get that off.
Yeah, well, we're gonna have to look. Everything else should just come unplugged.
That's unplugged.
And
This you just push down and pull, it looks like. I know what to do. You gotta get up underneath here and pull up on this a little bit. And then it should come out. The shifter's in the way.
you can go up and put the shifter down if you'd like.
I got it, it's coming. There we go.
All right. And that's what we do with the old piece. Now, here's our next problem.
What? It's the right one. Oh, shoot.
This could be a problem.
Well, let's plug it in and see. We can run it without putting it back on.
Yeah, may not have been the problem. Maybe the whole harness, but we're gonna find out in about 30 seconds. So let her just plug all this back in. She's got smaller hands, so it's a little bit easier for her to dingle with stuff.
All right, let's try her out.
Okay, she's gonna start
Before
it
I
back
pop
up.
it back in.
Okay.
And
And we have
cold air.
cold AC. So,
The fan's running too. These wipers have got to go.
there you go.
Hold on, wait for it to get cold. It stinks because it hasn't been running in so long.
Yeah, it smells pretty bad. It smells like vinegar. I don't know if y'all get that a lot in
Yes,
Kias.
that's a feature of Kia.
Yeah, I don't know
Vinegar
why,
smelling.
but
It's getting
anywho,
cold.
we have AC now. There you go, and that's how you change out the control panel on a 2017.
It's an
Yes, I know.
AC climate control panel.